Hello and welcome to the Reading Classroom. I'm Miss Kathy and this is Sue. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about the digraphs CH and PH. Let's take a look at this flashcard. Can you find the hidden letters C and H in this picture? Here's the letter C. It looks like his spoon. And there's the letter H. It's part of his head and hat. This is a chef. A chef is someone who cooks. He's wearing a chef's hat. CH makes the sound that you hear at the beginning of the word chef. Chef. Do you remember another digraph that makes that same sound? SH. SH can make the sound sh. Remember the librarian? Well, CH can make that sound too. Let's try to read this word. Chef. Chef. Now, CH can make another sound too. Look at this flashcard. Can you find the hidden C and H in the picture? There's the C, it's the window, and the H looks like part of the door and the steeple. CH can make the sound that you hear at the beginning and at the end of the word church. Can you make that sound? Ch, ch, ch. Let's read this word. Chip. Chip. Sue, CH can make another sound. Yes, 3 sounds. Can you find the hidden CH in this picture? Here's the C, it's her head, and there's the H. CH can make the sound that you hear at the beginning of the word chorus. It looks like she's in the choir. Choir and chorus both start with CH. It sounds really like the H is silent, doesn't it? It sounds like we're just making the K sound. Let's read a word. K. Or us. Chorus. Now, Sue, we're going to learn about another digraph today. The letters P and H come together to make a special sound too. Look at this flashcard. Do you see the hidden P and H in the picture? There's the letter P and there's H. This is a phone. PH makes the sound that you hear at the beginning of the word phone. Phone. What letter makes that sound usually? Letter F. So PH can make the sound just like letter F. As in the word phone. Let's read this word. Graph. Graph. Well, now it's time to practice. Let's read the word list together. Chill. Chant. Chant. Chin. Chip. Rich. All right, good job. Now we're going to change and use a different sound. This next set of words uses the sound K, as in chorus. Let's read. Ek. Tech. There's sneaky E. Chrome. Christmas. Orchid. Orchid. For this next set of words, we're going to use the sh sound, as in chef. Let's begin. Chef. Parachute. Parachute. All right, Sue, now we're going to change digraphs. For the last ones, we're going to use PH. Remember what PH sounds like? As in phone. Let's begin. Phone, phone. Face, phase. Graph, graph. Sphere, sphere. You did a great job. Remember to keep practicing. It might take a while, so take your time. Practice through that list until you can read it with little to no mistakes before moving on to the next reading lesson. Now let's read a little book called The Ship. I'll read it with you and then you can continue practicing later. The Ship. A ship with a white flag sails into the channel. A ship is a big boat. A whale is a big fish. The whale lets out a chorus of notes. The ship has a phone on board. The whale can swim this way. The ship and the whale float. Now, I'm only going to read that once with you because I don't want you to memorize it. I want you to sound it out for yourself and practice it. Did you notice that that book not only went over the digraphs we learned today and in our last lesson, but you also saw some words with sneaky E and 2 vowels walking. These little readers build on each other, so when you're practicing, go back and read the books that you've already learned and continue adding more each lesson. Parents, thank you for allowing your child to join us here in the reading classroom. You can get a copy of my Phonics First Aid book, which includes all of the flashcards and all of the word lists and little readers and so much more. You can visit the link in the description below to find out the details of how to get one for yourself. Thank you for joining us today here in the reading classroom. Remember, keep practicing the word list and the little book until you can read those with little to no mistakes, and then you're ready to move on. Thank you, everyone, and we'll see you next time. Happy reading!